This video shows how to refill your vending machine using the touchscreen installed. Log into dashboard.wendor.in. Enter your credentials. Go to the Live Status tab on the left-hand side. Click on Enable Refill Mode of the machine to be refilled. Yes, open. Now go the touch screen on the vending machine. Click on the reset button on the screen to enable the refill mode, which is otherwise non-accessible to the customers. Now please enter machine ID and password and log in. On the next screen, increase or decrease the quantity of the items as refilled. You can easily scroll vertically and horizontally to access all the inventory. Click on Save. Then save and exit. Now you can disable refill mode from the dashboard. Yes, we want to close the machine. Refilling is done.